182 species in genus Hydrocotyle. The humble Hydrocotyle, a closer look. I've always been fascinated by the diversity of plant life, especially those that thrive in and around water. One genus that has particularly caught my eye is Hydrocotyle, a group of creeping, often aquatic plants with a simple beauty and surprising versatility. They might not be the showiest blooms in the garden, but there's something captivating about their delicate leaves and understated charm. What is Hydrocotyle? Hydrocotyle, sometimes called water pennywort, Indian pennywort, or dollar weed, is a genus of prostrate, perennial plants that typically favor wet habitats. You'll often find them creeping along the edges of ponds, streams, and wetlands, or even happily growing as ground cover in damp, shady spots. They're members of the Araliaceae family, which also includes familiar plants like ginseng and ivy. What makes Hydrocotyle stand out are its leaves. They're typically round or kidney-shaped, giving rise to the common name pennywort. The leaves are often peltate, meaning the stem attaches to the center of the leaf's underside, rather than the edge, creating a shield-like appearance. This unique structure is one of the key features that helps me identify Hydrocotyle in the wild. A diverse genus. While the name pennywort might evoke a single image, Hydrocotyle is a surprisingly diverse genus. There are estimated to be over 75 species distributed across the globe, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Some, like Hydrocotyle vulgaris, marsh pennywort, are native to Europe and prefer temperate climates, while others, like Hydrocotyle umbellata, water pennywort, are more widespread and can tolerate warmer conditions. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Hydrocotyle species have also played important roles in traditional medicine and even in modern culinary practices. Hydrocotyle asiatica, also known as Centella asiatica or Gotu kola, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine to treat a variety of ailments, from skin conditions to anxiety. It's also gaining popularity as a culinary herb, adding a unique flavor to salads and stir-fries. However, it's important to note that not all Hydrocotyle species are edible. Some, like Hydrocotyle ranunculoides, can be toxic if ingested. It's crucial to properly identify any wild plants before consuming them. Hydrocotyle in the ecosystem. Hydrocotyle species play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their dense growth habit provides shelter for aquatic insects and small animals, while their leaves offer shade and help to reduce water temperature. They also help to prevent erosion and filter pollutants from the water. However, some Hydrocotyle species, particularly Hydrocotyle ranunculoides, can become invasive in certain environments. Their rapid growth can outcompete native plants, clogging waterways and disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. It's important to be mindful of this potential issue and choose species that are appropriate for your local environment. Cultivating Hydrocotyle. For those interested in cultivating Hydrocotyle, most species are relatively easy to grow. They prefer moist, well-drained soil and partial shade, although some can tolerate full sun. They can be propagated from seed or cuttings, and once established, they require minimal care. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Hydrocotyle offers a rewarding experience. Their unique beauty and adaptability make them a welcome addition to any garden, pond, or terrarium. A continuing fascination. My exploration of the Hydrocotyle genus has been a journey of discovery and appreciation. From their diverse forms and ecological roles to their potential uses in medicine and cuisine, these humble plants have proven to be far more complex and intriguing than I initially imagined. I look forward to continuing my study of these fascinating plants and sharing my knowledge with others.